Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to jack up Land Rover Discovery 4. Begin by gathering a heavy-duty jack and 2 axle stands rated for your vehicle weight. Position wheel chocks behind rear wheels and set the handbrake. Locate the manufacturer lift points under the sill and rear axle, then raise slowly until the tire clears the ground. Lower onto stands and give a gentle shake to confirm stability before working under the vehicle. Gather the right tools before you start to keep things smooth and safe. A hydraulic floor jack and 2 quality axle stands are essential, plus wheel chocks and a torque wrench. Clean the lift points of mud and inspect for rust or damage. Position the jack centrally under the lift pad, pump smoothly, and align stands before lowering. Take a moment to double-check everything before you begin work. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical videos. Quick recommendation. On another note, I love the book The Simple Path to Wealth as a compact, pragmatic read about money that changed how I think about savings and goals, and it pairs oddly well with practical DIY afternoons. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Work methodically while you lift to reduce risk and save time. Start by jacking the vehicle until the wheel clears, then slide an axle stand under the lift point and slowly lower to seat it. Repeat for the other side if lifting both wheels, or use additional stands to stabilize the full vehicle. Check that the stands sit flat and the car rests squarely on them before removing the jack and starting repairs or maintenance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.